Welcome to Bordner Home Improvement. Come on into our shower trailer and take a look at the options we have. This is one of our custom showers. You can see the beautiful smooth design, clean look, low profile shelves that we can install in different areas. We can also do inset shelving if you want. We have different options here where you get your brushed nickel, your chrome, oil rub bronze. A great feature we have with this one is our shower tower. This is something that when you sign up at one of our shows, we give to you. So you can see a beautiful design. A lot of different options here with colors, different looks. So come on over, I'll show you one of our walk-in tubs. So you can see the nice, clean, smooth look here of these tubs. We make these custom made for your space when we do the install. You can do some aromatherapy beads that you can put inside here. That'll come out your jets while you're taking your bath. Another great safety feature this tub has is there's 2 drains at the bottom that you can activate with your feet. So if you need to drain it quickly, you have that option where you don't have to reach down. It's a great feature. Also comes with a beautiful smooth wall system. You can see here on the corners how smooth it is with your shelves. So you can put your soaps and your towels up there as well. Another beautiful shower system that we have down this way. This is a cultured stone. It's non-porous. You also have the inlay stripe that's beautiful that you can get in a ton of different designs and looks. You have different options for your shelves. We can do an inset, a corner shelf, for your big soaps, your big shampoos. Nice smooth tub that would be brand new that we'd install along with this. Great benefit that we have with Bordner is our labor is a lifetime of this shower. So we're going to take everything out all the way down to the studs and do a full new installation for you that's warranted for a lifetime for you and the next person that you sell the home to. Again, you'll see with your faucets and fixtures, we have different options with chrome, brushed nickel, oil rub bronze, whichever you decide.